Oh my goodness.
Hi.
Wild Mira.
Holy smokes. I don't know where we're gonna put that. Mayo buntag.
Everyone.
Oh my gosh. How can we carry this?
Jaja, it's a Santa Claus today.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
It's changing gift. Good luck.
So here we are in Taoist, Bohol Island, actually Panglao Island, and this is a friend's restaurant. French guy married to a Filipina. And this is her restaurant here. Very cute. Do not bother a Filipina while she's eating. It's like the Gremlins.
Chili garlic.
Nakapunin mo doon. Hirap ko, minsan nagpalit mo na ako ng ready to tamad ako. Bibili na lang ako ng somay sa mall. Pero ang sarap ng chili garlic, ako talaga gumagawa. Minsan hindi sila magbenta kasi ako walang sauce. Walang sauce. Eh bakit hindi siya may sa amin pag walang sauce? Oo, wala. Hindi kami magbenta pag walang sauce. Siguro chili garlic, diba yun ang basta na. Oo. Yung sauce. Pero iba, magbili ako.
Very nice. Better than the one you get in the store.
Well, you said she made it, right?
Yes,
Or it's homemade? Yeah. Yeah, I can taste. That's why when I tasted it, I was like, oh, okay, that's very different.
It's not really into shomai, but when it's homemade, we like it.
Yeah. And this is good.
Like black beans, if you even meat or common pure is little high price because
The ingredients in your salt.
yung sa soup mo mayroon black beans. Black beans. Pepper siguro. Pepper.
Hindi ko nilalagyan ng black beans.
Black beans. Ano pinalaki? Nakita mo, okay? Or di blend? Blend. Blend na tapos Siyempre magdadagdag ka.
You want mashed potato?
Add ka. Yes.
Yan lang po yung yung coconut. Coconut. Ano siya? Part siya ng coconut. Pero ano siya? Parang giniling. Parang yung siyang baboy pag nilagyan mo ng water. Yung sanat ko. Nakalimutan ko!
Vegetarian. So much potatoes. So yun ko parang na palit.
Ang gawin.
Ako mag-iwa ng mashed potato.
Ayan! Babalikan!
Alabalaan ko naman na gimino ko dala ang daw firme ko ginalito. So, ako ko lang gimino.
There we go.
May tayo na din na expensive na akong sauce. So, balikan mo yung mga customer na nga ako nung na gamay ko lang ang size. Ang galan ko sila, titidun nyo lang kay mura na ang barbecue natin itong sauce. Mahal na yung parang wala ka na sa gititid sa sauce pa. Pure ito na talaga water. So sabi nila, masarap ang sauce pero gusto nila ng more. Lagi na ulam na nila ang sauce.
Pero alam mo, pagkulang yung mga
Kausan. Yun lang pala sa menu.
practice, yung customer, balik mo balik.
Maulam pa yung sabi pilit-pilit. Pero sa pagkakit, nakalo ko sa mga Mustang. Mga laki. Kalan na single ko. Alam mo lang ba? Dito ako, single ako. Oo. Kay para, mabalik-balik ko mga ako.
Palawbog, yun din. Pag, alam,
Maybe. You have the mic?
Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Pero hindi to sakop ng Panglao.
No,
Dawis Panglao. Hindi. Okay. Panglao ang tawag ko sa lahat.
Panglao is hanggang Tangnan lang.
Saan yung Tangnan? Banda.
Next at
Separate na to. Okay.
per boundary lang yata sila. Tinago, Bingag, Tangnan. Tapos next is municipality na.
Nasobrahan ka, Jonah. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to Marana Brat's channel. So, today we have Dailin. So, this is her business in Dawis. Bohol to. Kasama na sa Bohol. Hindi Panglao.
Bohol, Panglao is Bohol. Is provincial. Province of Bohol.
Municipality din yung Panglao.
Municipality of Dawis.
Of Dawis. Okay. Yung sign mo, day in?
DN 2.0 resto bar.
Bakit nasabing day in?
Then parang day in. Parang ang mindset ko kasi niyan is day, tapos parang coming in lang kayo ng in, like that ba?
Okay. So, meron din kayong rooms dito or
Yes, sa daughter ko at sa mga
dito banda sa likod?
staff. Oo.
Ilang rooms yun?
Ang rooms is dalawa. Sa
So,
taas.
they have 2 rooms for how much? Per day yun? Or per month?
I know, I don't have room for personal lang, for family.
It's personal. Akala ko kasi yung day in, like yung in.
Lunch in.
La-
No,
yung
in
mga
lang, not double in.
Yeah. So, ano lang to? Resto bar lang.
Resto bar. A small resto bar.
So, what year did you start the business?
Last year, July 12, we
so 1
open
year na
here.
to?
1 year.
Okay. So, why did you decide Resto Bar here? Are there many foreigners neighborhood here or what?
No. Neighbor, yes, they have many foreigner there because a lot of resort.
There's a resort there. Okay.
But I decided here, pwede ba Tagalog? Nag-think lang ako is, okay siya because highway.
Good opportunity, di ba?
Oh, yes. And little nga, i-renovate siya para makita sa iban kasi di siya makita.
Oo nga.
Di siya makita.
We passed by over there.
Actually, di siya makita.
Oo.
So
You
now,
need a big signage like that, no?
extend lang kami. Slowly, for sure, na maano siya, tao dyan.
So is this your own land or
Yung renting.
yung land?
All. It's renting.
Okay. So magkano yung rent? How much is your rent here?
You know, is 8.
8K
8,000.
with including 2 rooms
Mm.
and this.
Mm.
So how many square meter alam mo ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Just until here and then there's 2 room where? Upstairs or?
Upstairs.
Okay. So how is the business so far for a year that you have
The
this?
past, I tell the truth, is for the past last year, not good.
Not good.
Yes. Now is very good. I said it's good little because we
Better.
started, when I starting barbecue there, I feel that it's good. Yes, this year.
Pumatok siya
Pumatok sa masa dito sa mga neighborhood.
Okay.
Before, no. So,
So first
1 to
ano
3 person. We're lucky we have a 3-person customer here every day before.
So ang first business nyo is milk tea talaga or
No, is food. Mga foreigners.
Ulam,
food.
mga ganon.
Ulam, yes.
ulam? Like canteen or restaurant talaga?
Restaurant talaga. Tapos drinks bar.
You cook it
Yes,
as they
we cook.
order. Okay. So now you added
We
like
added milk tea, like that. Oh, French
Fries,
fries,
and
siomai, fast food.
so fast food like
All.
affordable naman
Yes,
sa mga-
affordable.
Okay.
We're starting at 30 pesos up.
Okay, so during the day you have this food here and then
And then nighttime, no, it's barbecue.
barbecue.
Because we are busy already for barbecue.
So this is a good-minded, a business-minded person. Uh, she didn't waste day and night, but she thinks about what else she can do to make money. You see what I mean? Like, yeah. So that's a good thing to do.
Yes.
That's
earning.
all for earning.
Yes, of course. Saturday.
So it's called Resto Bar.
Yes.
You serve drinks as well.
Yes. Every Saturday and Sunday, a lot of people here, Filipino, look, sometimes foreigner to drink. Bedyoke. Of course,
Of
bedyoke.
course, Filipino.
Mm. Singer.
Comment. Our singer.
Naga-concert sa Portofino.
And what else? Anything else? Okay. Okay.
Like, the first time you start this business, like how much is the income, the principal?
Do you have profit on your ano?
First time.
Yeah.
Okay.
The first.
For me, we are target ng even 1,000 per day. But we're starting, no, we're happy we earn one day 500 like that. So, no customer, three. Sometimes every day is we earn 1,000 we happy. We're target every day. We're starting, okay, we earn 1,000 per day. So that's our target per day.
And then overall, like, how was your experience during your business?
Experience, happy. Because I'm a business minded.
Because,
When I'm earn direct selling also, direct selling. So I'm happy to business. I'm happy for business, even little income. So I'm happy.
okay, from the customers, do you hear any suggestions so that you can grow your business?
Yes, a lot of suggestion.
And then you take the advice.
Yes. Some customers say, you need to improve outside because
Ah.
never
It's
people
not
not.
visible.
Yes, not,
Aside
you
from
pass
that,
away
how about
already
the
only.
food?
The food is say good. Not negative, always good. Yes, even the partner is so much good like that. So
No
they say
complaint.
no complaint. They say good. Oh, I'm my pleasure. So much happy to say that. Mm-mm.
That's a good compliment. And then I hope your business grow more. Hopefully. I hope more food coming.
Ami,
More food to
more
come.
menu,
Yes,
more
yes,
customer to come.
More, and I hope many friends that recommend your
Kasi yun talaga nag-i-start yung pag-grow ng business when you listen to your customer.
Yes. First time kasi is, ano pa na, parang lugi ka pa. Grow lang.
Ganun
Don't
talaga sa
negative. Yes. Lugi ka pa. So, ano tawag sina? Propaganda for all cost of for people. Like that.
Keep going.
Yes.
So
Never
I see
give up, nene. Never ever give up.
You want me to read your
Nene. Nene, never ever give up.
Okay. So I see you have GCash and
Yes, all.
you do that also in the personal collection?
Yes, I do
Wow.
recruitment and personal collection. I'm a managing director of personal collection.
Oh my gosh.
So I focus recruitment and sailing.
So it's not only this kind of business. You are a multi-business.
Multi-business woman.
Yes. All.
But one day maybe.
Yes.
Nagpaparinig siya.
Nagpaparinig.
Because I also experience about business. I don't have money. And you know what I did is, because I really badly need money and nobody can give me money. So I'm thinking is, there is a junk shop neighbor. And then I'm thinking, oh, because I have a gabi, it's a vegetable, so I was like, oh, I don't want to waste this gabi. So I go to the junk shop, I borrow money, and then, can I borrow 20 peso? And from the 20, I divide it to 10. So I buy for the kamunggay and then the alubati. And the good thing is, I earn a lot from 20, I got like 300 plus.
Wow.
So my interest is like 200 plus, to 280. I was like, whoa, this is a good, from a small, it's not really hard if you are willing to do it.
Yeah. And starting kasi when I separated my ex is I starting earning alone. I meet personal collection. So I'm very lucky for personal collection. All the ano, I said personal collection changed my life. I earn high salary or like that. So I never left personal collection. Still now, even I continue personal collection.
So can you explain to us what is personal collection means?
It's a direct selling company.
Like what kind of stuff?
Selling personalized product is home care, baby care, all.
Para siyang ano, ang Avon, mga
Avon,
ganon.
yes,
Okay, kasama din siya.
Yeah.
All. So but I focus recruitment, and then selling also.
But how is the process about the personal collect?
How you recruit people to do that? They need the requirements or
They need
stuff?
free registration.
And I heard also about from before, they asking for like money.
Is your valid ID only. Valid ID and proof
But
of
there's
ID.
some other like they're recruiting somebody. Oh, do you want to have a
scam.
business like Avon?
Scam.
That's a scam.
Yes. Personal collection any peso.
You don't need
Company
to, ano.
give you product. Company give you starting for business. Even the company owner not know you.
How did you deal your personal like collection? Like, because there's like not full payment.
Ano siya, per month siya.
Yeah, 37 days per
How's that?
na Pilipino, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Mahilig talaga sa
Your
utang.
patient is-
Yes. So makakonvince ka talaga sa kanila, especially 37 days to pay. So kasi ako nasa field talaga ako, so convince people.
Yeah.
Okay. So I target ko talaga sa kanila is to convince utang. Utang ni. So
What is English in utang?
credit?
Credit
No?
or loan?
Credit or loan? Ay, credit. I thought.
Credit. So they credit your product and then they pay
They pay 37 days.
Yung purchase. Yung pagka-purchase.
Purchase is
Credit yung pagka-purchase.
Mm-mm. 37 days. So, kailangan, una talaga, pag paano i-convince mo yung tao, i-ano mo na talaga nga, kayo mga tao sabi, ayaw ko niyan, wala akong kwarta, di ba? Wala akong pera. So, no ma'am, is utang.
The process is they purchase the product, but their payment is credit.
Credit. Monthly.
Yeah, like monthly. They have
monthly or per day?
Monthly.
not per day.
37 days, di ba?
Yes, 37 days. So, you pay 37 days.
So you have that 37 time. Paano pag how about when they don't pay for
Pay.
37 days?
For me is the company call that. But for me as a manager kasi, is I manager na, we have a 1% from personal collection company. So we have a bonus. For example, I'm a manager, we have a bonus per month. But a lot of people not pay, our bonus pay them. So the company not lost.
So your bonus
We are lost.
deduct on.
all
Actually,
member
I'm
not
going
pay.
to ask you about that, and then you already answer it.
That's why the owners not worrying about that.
Oh my gosh, it's like the closet.
Yes. We are 1%,
Like,
I think 1%. Oh, that our bonus is deducted all the people members not paying.
Oh my gosh, that's not.
So that's our naman ginagawa is tusukot sa ila. Kung alam namin kung sinong sino yung binabawasan ng company, but sometimes no.
Ano?
How much?
Even we have all
Already struggle. How much more when you are already a manager? Oh my gosh, that's so stressed.
yes, so stressed because the
She doesn't look stressed. Where's the stress there?
so stressed of course because that's money is you work hard every day. So oh my god, this is my bonus. For example, you have bonus 25,000. Oh, it's gone. Because separating to all people.
Per month yon.
No, every year. Like your employee, you have a bonus per 13 month to pay like that. Mm. But I earn every month for 39% from for all my members because I have member and Mindanao. That's my big group team
But sa Mindanao, why in Mindanao?
because I starting Mindanao.
You're from Mindanao.
Yes,
Oh,
I'm
okay.
starting there for personal collection. Oh, I'm lucky for personal collection. I'm so much blessed because I travel abroad because of personal collection.
They sponsor you for travel.
Yes.
Wow.
May sponsor.
So what you do there?
Hong Kong, eating, tour, like a tourist.
You're a tourist.
Yes, and Hong Kong, Macau, like that.
You also like collect.
Free.
Macau and Hong Kong.
So you get customers from other country or only the
No,
Philippines?
that's a privilege lang for company. For example,
They treat you.
to treat. Yeah. No, like we have a target per year. For example, tour
you
in
get
Singapore. You're in
You get rewarded.
5 million, you want to target 5 million per this whole year. Like that. So you have to travel Singapore,
You did.
Thailand, like that. Yes, I did.
So how long is the travel? How long
1
is
week.
1 week?
Mm.
Nice.
Oh, it's a good.
So wala kayong ilalabas na pera doon.
Wala. The company give you $20.
It's like your rest from
Vacation,
being struggle.
vacation.
Yeah.
So good. Company and so good business for starting.
For sure, because you become manager.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh.
Good thing about you is you're not dependent on one business only. That's a good thing. You like discover more.
All lyrics saying not no have capital. I like that. I like to do business. No have capital. Like Avon, Natasha, everything.
That's a
But
good.
I can't give money. Only mouth. Only blah blah blah. Talk.
Mm.
Some of the business-minded person, they loan money to have a capital, and that's a bad decision or bad idea. Do you know?
Okay, so magchika na lang kayo mamaya. Okay. Last question is, do you think most of the Filipina is good at business minded?
Yes, I think for me is Filipina or Filipinos is business minded. All even the little income, they're business minded. We all business minded.
Because we all
We are independent. Like we need money every day. Of course.
so think
Money is important.
yes.
It's already part.
Oy, do you think money is happiness?
Yes, of course.
It depends on the situation.
Yeah, but for me, money is happiness.
Okay.
Because you don't have rice per day. No, it's
You're sad. Okay, thank you so much, Daylene, and we pray for your business to grow more and to be big, okay?
Thank you.
So, thank you so much for this opportunity to interview you about the business, and thank you everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello everyone. We are now in Ocean View Residence. So we're going to look at the apartment, and we're not sure how much it is per month, but let's see. But as of now, you can see how excuse me, like anything, and whatever color that is. What color is that, beige? Why didn't I just look? I don't know what to say. Which one is current?
So rudely.
Great job.
Great job.